Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion with Miraal. Today I would like to show you all different makeup products. These are the makeup tutorial materials and you can use these makeup products as well as good looking products and use these footage as a free stock images. These are the all different makeup products. Sunday Steak in Golden Gate, Otis McDonald. लेके inspired warm nights. Dream Joachim. Spring in my step silence partner. लेके इंस्पायर्ड चिल डे. X High Kevin McLeod. Mark from Paris Cloud9. लेके इंस्पायर्ड चिल डे. लेके inspired this feeling. In next video I will show you different makeup products, different makeup new look. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz guys.